Hey, я Olga, and this is Russian for Fun. Welcome to lesson 10 of my super easy Russian language course for complete beginners. Ready to learn Russian? Let's go! Today we are gonna learn 3 new Russian letters, including a tricky one, a new Russian reading rule, and a short, brand new dialogue in Russian. Let's tackle a tricky letter first. But no worries, I've got you covered. This tricky letter is called Y. The sound Y simply doesn't exist in English, but it reminds me the vowel sound in the word she. Let's try saying Y together. Y. 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 It's like you've been jabbed in the stomach. Let's try again. Y. And again. Y. Let's check out how the Y sound works with one of the most common words, ty. And again, ty. Ty means you, but ty is used for just one person, not for two or more. Let's say the word ty again. Listen and repeat after me, trying to imitate me. Ty. Again, ty. One more time, ty. And the last time, ty. Now let's say you and I in Russian. We just learned how to say you in Russian. Can you say it? Да, that's right. It's ты. What about the word I? Remember it? Да, it's я. Super easy. The last piece, the word and in Russian. Да, it's и. Super short and simple. Now let's put it all together and say the full phrase, you and I. It's just ты и я. Ты и я. Ты и я. Again. Ты и я. Ты и я. Ты и я. Good. Okay. Time for our new Russian reading rule. Rule number 2. The first rule was for the letter E, and now it's for the letter Y. The letter Y after a consonant makes it soft. In this case, the letter Y sounds like not yeah. Let's take a look at an example. Let's read a popular Russian female name using this rule. Lena. 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 One more time. Lena. Lena. Лена. Лена. The letter Y follows the consonant L. So the L becomes soft like this. L instead of L. And the letter Y here sounds like E. So we have le, le, Lena, Lena. Okay, it's time to learn a new Russian letter. The letter G. The letter G sounds like the English G, so it's easy to say. Let's say the sound G together. G, 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 G. Now let's read a word that starts with the letter G. It's the question word where, and to read it, we need our second Russian reading role. Okay, let's read the Russian word for where. It's где. 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 In the word где, the letter E comes after the consonant D. D. So D is soft like this. D. 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 And E sounds like E, not Ye. So we have D, E, D, E, D, and the whole word is где, G, где, G, где, где. Now let's look at our first question in Russian. It means, where are you? In spoken Russian, this question mostly sounds like you where, if you translate it literally into English. Okay, let's read it. Ты где? Ты где? Ты где? Ты где? Ты means you and где means where. Good. Let's learn another Russian letter. It's the second letter of the Russian alphabet, and it has the same sound as the second letter of the English alphabet. B. 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 And the letter is B. And you know what? The Russian B looks a lot like the English lowercase b. Now, let's see how to say at work in Russian. We are gonna need our new letter B for that, and we also need to remember our new reading rule. At work is на работе in Russian. Let's read it again. На работе. Let's break it down. Here we have the letter Y after the consonant. So, T becomes soft like this.
T, T, T.
And the letter Y sounds like air. So we have T, air, T, air, tear, tear. На, ра, бо, те. And again. На, ра, бо, те. На работе. Again. На работе. More natural. На работе. Good. Time for our new dialogue now. First, let's listen to this short dialogue. Алло,
Лена, ты где?
я на работе. А ты где?
Я дома.
Окей. Good. Did you get the point? Let's listen again, this time with the text. Алло,
Лена, ты где?
я на работе. А ты где?
Я дома.
Окей. Is it clearer now? Let's break the dialogue down line by line. The first line was алло. We usually say алло when picking up the phone. We can also say да in this case. Алло comes from the English word hello, and like hello, алло also has two L's in it. We don't use алло when greeting people, only when answering the phone. The next line was
Лена, ты где?
Let's say it slowly. Лена, ты где? And a little bit more natural. Лена, ты где? Lena is a common Russian female name. And ты где means where are you? The next line was я на работе. А ты где? The first word and the whole sentence was я. It's something you hear a lot in Russian conversations. When someone asks you something like where are you or what are you doing, Russians often start with a clarifying я. Actually, it's just a way to buy a second to think about the answer. The next sentence was на работе. На работе means at work. It's actually the answer itself. Then I said, а ты где? А ты где basically means the same as ты где. The phrase а ты где literally means and where are you? Move on to the next line.
Я дома.
Я дома means I'm at home. The final line was okay. We already know okay and just means I see. Okay. Let's listen to the dialogue one last time. Алло,
Лена, ты где?
я на работе. А ты где?
Я дома.
Окей. Good. Time to wrap up for now. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!